Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you're having a fun Labor Day. This is Mike with the watch list video for Tuesday, September 3rd. Starting with the Daily Spy. It kind of had this awkward looking cup and handle, and looks like we're probably, I hate to use the word probably, but there's a good chance we're going to break to all-time highs in the market. And let me slide this up for new members in chat. Please pause the video and read that. It's a great description of what we're all about. And then let me go into what we're watching on Tuesday for hopefully some day trades. All right, MRVL, the horizontal line, you can kind of see it right there. We're trying to break out above these, whatever it was, May highs. Closed well below its open, but it did have earnings. Certainly could go on Tuesday, so we'll see. I'm going to put Intel back on watch. Had a nice trade in that one. Fives buy zone on Friday. And it's kind of trying to break out above this island down here. So we want to keep our eyes on that one for a continuation day. It's pretty beaten up, right? BBIO, you can kind of picture a trend line from here to here, and it's trying to break out above it. I should have used the one with the 200-day. I think the 200-day is above, which can oftentimes act as a magnet. So we're going to keep our eyes on BBIO for a continuation day. VOXX, just really strong lately. So I like the looks of that one. You could argue a couple potential chart catalysts on Tuesday by looking at Friday's high 570 and Thursday's high 574. Start breaking those down. Maybe we get a little mini squeeze. after the earnings pop here, which is kind of flagging. Possible breakout there, we'll see. BOF, I'm not in love with this one, but it's definitely an in-play stock. You had the big rip on, let's see, this would have been Wednesday, then the gap up on Thursday, but sold off, and then Friday tried to catch a bid, but closing well off its highs. It's just on watch because it's an in-play stock. GameStop, I had some nice buy zone pullback entries in that one, and still maybe you'll put in a third day in a row green. So it's GameStop. We got to watch that one once it becomes in play, right? Lucy, L-U-C-Y, gapped up, sold off, and then kind of put in a pretty narrow range on Friday. So that one goes on watch. It can move at times. CING, I don't know. I'm not in love with this one, but it did have a little extra volume on Friday. And if I show you the intraday, if you weren't there trading on Friday, it did have a big move before pulling back near the end of the day. And we'll look back at the, let's see, 1 hour chart. You had this big rip back here. And it is starting to kind of curl up and maybe break some trend lines. So it's a squinky stock. I don't really trust it, but it goes on watch. Anyway, SGLY, I think, ran because it's just a recent reverse split. So you had the big rip and then an inside day. Maybe it catches a bit on Tuesday. We'll see. EOSE. After that pop on Thursday, kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. Maybe a third day play coming. Redfin, RDFN did get down to that area that basically almost touched the 20-day. RDFN goes on bounce watch for Tuesday. Where are I? DG, Dollar General, I'm just putting back on bounce watch. Pretty beaten up. And then Zoom, ZM. I'd like it to at least get down to the moving averages, right? But it still had a big rip and a few days lower on lower volume. I'm going to start watching that for a possible turn back up on Tuesday. And, just remember, we'll be there in the pre-market on Tuesday, putting together a list of gappers. And between the list of gappers and this list, hopefully we get some nice intraday setups for some trades to make some money. All right, enjoy the rest of your Labor Day. We'll see you on Tuesday.